It's been a while since celebrity chef Iain Huey Hewitson graced our TV screens, but now he's back with his simple recipes and he's reaching a whole new generation of fans, this time on socials. The 76-year-old is even in the running for Food Creator of the Year at tomorrow's TikTok Awards.
Today I'm cooking Australia's other favourite pasta dish, spaghetti carbonara. And I love it. I do add quite a bit of cream. Now I'm getting a bit trendy in my old age. When I start talking about things like a salted caramel sauce.
And he's here. Hello to Iain Huey Hewitson.
G'day guys.
Huey, welcome back. You look exactly the same. We've missed you on the telly. How are you?
I am really bloody good, to be honest. I really am. I mean, I'm as amazed as anybody else. I've only been on TikTok for about 6 or 7 months, and suddenly, you know, I'm in line for this award. And do remember, there's 5 people nominated for it. 4 of them are young, trendy, cool young cats, and there's me.
Oh, you've got this. You've got this. You're an influencer now. How did you even find yourself on TikTok? Because I hear you don't even have a phone.
No, I'm hopeless. I don't have a phone, I don't drive, I don't have a computer. But my daughter, who's 23, came to me and said, "Dad, you've been doing YouTube for about 6 or 7 years. Why don't you try TikTok?" She said, "But nobody will know you because it's a young person's site." And I got on and we were absolutely boggled. We got almost 1 million hits from day one.
Wow. So, Huey, how do you scramble an egg in just the right way to get 750,000 views?
I haven't quite worked that one out. I know how you scramble an egg. You don't overcook the thing, and you add lots of cream, and you start off with lots of butter. And I know that's going to make you happy because you're going to ask me, do I still use lots of butter and cream and things? Yes, I do. Yes.
But you know what? Because everything old is new again, including the way that you like to cook. So there was that whole era where people were eating quinoa and pouring seed oils and
seed oils are bad.
Yeah, seed oils are bad. But now people know that cream is really good for you and butter. And now look at your renaissance.
Yeah, but if you hang around long enough, as we know, you know, everything comes back into fashion. So they say to you, "Oh, you can't eat red meat," and then they say you need iron, you must eat red meat. So it's just the way of the world. But I think the other thing about it is that I've taken over from the mums, because the mums used to teach you to make these basic things. Well, they don't have the time anymore. They work, they're time poor, so they may teach you how to do a stir fry, but they don't teach you things like how to make a homemade mayonnaise, which was also very popular, how to roast a spud properly, how to boil an egg, how to do all those kind of things. And, of course, the scrambled eggs, which I must admit, I fell off my chair on that one. I thought that was pretty amazing.
Well, Huey, because you don't have TikTok or a phone, you wouldn't know this, but the comments on social media videos, they're always super positive, OK? So you should get on there and have a look and have a little boost in confidence.
Yeah, most of them are. I mean, I get just as much enjoyment out of the person who says to me, "We thought you'd carked it." Actually, I had a lady who said to me that she'd been to my state funeral. Wow. Which I thought was amazing. It turned out to be Big Kev. You know Big Kev?
Big Kev.
He was a big man on Channel 10, and I don't think he used to wear those Australian shirts, didn't he?
Yeah.
It was his state funeral, so I didn't feel quite so bad.
Good to see you haven't popped your suspenders yet.
Great to see you, Huey. Thanks for your time, and keep blowing up the TikTok.
It's my pleasure.